What's up guys? Welcome to the first Hustlehead Nation tutorial video. Today, we're gonna talk about how to ship a snow globe. Okay, so for this video, we're gonna need some bubble wrap, a box, a bigger box, tape, scissors, and a snow globe. Okay, so first we're gonna unspool some of this bubble wrap and we're gonna cut off a piece. Okay, so we're gonna take our snow globe and we're gonna put it right at the edge. And we're slowly just gonna roll it over. You wanna make sure it's tight. If it's too loose, the snow globe will actually start wiggling when it's on its way to the customer. Okay. And then we're just gonna take a piece of tape just to hold that down. So what you want to do is try to touch the snow globe and see if you can actually get to it. I can feel the snow globe right here. So we're gonna actually do another round, but first we're gonna tuck this side in. Okay. And we're gonna tuck this side in as well. And we're just gonna go over it again, start at the edge. And go over it. Bring this here. Same thing. Tape. Now, just try to feel it. And if you can't touch the snow globe, then you're good. All right, so we're just gonna tuck these sides in again. All right, that feels pretty good. There's a lot of padding all over. Now we are going to put the snow globe in the one box. So as you can see, there's a lot of movement going on. So we're actually gonna take some bubble wrap and we are gonna fill in the voids to prevent it from moving around. Or you can also put in wrapping paper, or if you have these guys are great as well. Okay, so to fill in the voids, we're gonna take pieces of bubble wrap and then we're just gonna roll them up. These are what I call bubble wrap churros. And you're just gonna stuff it in there. Get another piece. Okay. Now it's not moving. So we are going to seal this up. Okay, that's pretty good. They can easily break. So we're actually gonna put this box into this box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut another piece of this bubble wrap. And the point of doing this is just to make sure it gets safely to your customer. I'm gonna slide this guy in there. Okay, so as you can see, there's gonna be voids on the side. And you guessed it, we are going to make some more bubble wrap churros and put them in the sides to fill those voids. And there you have it. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more of this in the future, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.